Almost like a hurricane in the middle of winter. February 1st, 2011, a little before 10 p.m. Temperature is around 15 degrees. Wind gusts probably around 35-40 miles an hour. And this goes on all night through the middle of the day tomorrow. Awesome.